What's good, YouTube? Today, as I'm what good? What's good, YouTube? Today, I'm in a very, very good mood because we just won our first game. So basically, I coach a girl high school soccer, and today was my first time acting as a coach on a regular season game, and we just won 3-0. Amazing game. I'm so hyped. It's insane. It's like one of the most beautiful feeling I've ever had for the play game of soccer. So what I've learned today was it's actually, you actually feel so much better cheering for other people than you will cheering for yourself. You know what I mean? That's how I feel. Like, being able to give back is one of the greatest feelings you can have as a human being. What do I mean by that? Since I was 14 years old, I've been on the streets, you know, being basically homeless. Like, I did not have anyone to call home. And then I got in foster care. But before that, I had my whole life to do whatever the heck I wanted to do. If I wanted to join the gang, I could have done that. If I wanted to be on drugs, I could have done that. You know, anything you can think of that's negative, I could have been in it, and there will be nobody to tell me no. You know, but I was able to find something that will occupy me, something that will be able to help me express my feelings, express my emotions, and express the, you know, anything that's kind of negative in my life. I'll be able to get on the field, run around, kick the soccer ball, and it really kept me safe and sound the whole time. And I got to college, I stopped playing soccer because I wanted to prioritize my studying. I was able to graduate, soccer was over. That really hurt me a lot because I felt like I love the sport soccer. I would love to give back anyhow. I was able to reach out to this high school, and I asked them if I can coach for free. They say, yes, you can coach, but we gotta pay you. I'm like, sure, I would take the pay, although it's not what I'm really looking for. It's not the money. And I started acting as a coach. The first time ever, I never coached before. Very, very, you know, a little weird to be on the other side of the game. Standing out there, those girls had some attitude. I'm telling you, it was crazy. But just being able to have conversation with them, you know, as many times, really be able to get them to understand the passion of the game. Like, hey, when we get in there, it's not about how good they are, it's about how hard can we fight, you know what I mean? And today really touched me to be able to see my team taking all the feedback, you know what I mean, that I gave them throughout the whole preseason and really translate that into the game. We won 3-0. This is a team that have not won any game for the past 2 years. It feels fantastic. It feels amazing. So thankful. And you know, the lesson of today is like, it feels better when you give back than when you receive. You know, like the game saved me from the streets, saved me from all the negative things that I could have think of. But giving back to those kids with fighting, not giving up, being able to give, you know, your best shot while you have a chance, and seeing them execute has been an amazing feeling. I feel like I'm gonna sleep good today because I'm so happy, and I hope we can keep on the same streak. And also, like, you know, going back to you, find something that you love and passionate about. Find a way to give back. I promise you, you will be so surprised and to see how amazingly you will feel. Because when we give back, the universe multiply our favor by 10, and we even get blessed by more, and then we go back and give back and get something in return multiplied by 10 as well. So I don't want to drag this video. I'm super tired. I already dropped my first video. It's 11:41. I'm dropping this video. So I'm gonna try to see how long I can do this. I'm dropping 2 videos a day. No matter what time it is, we're doing 2. Appreciate y'all for supporting this YouTube channel. It's a lot of work behind the scene, but thank y'all for being loyal. And if there's anything y'all want me to cover, let me know. I'm gonna put it down below. Leave it down below. I'm gonna go over it. So, dose.